Ayan no, mamitas tayo. Let's pick more apples. Actually, matamis naman siya eh. Ayan no. Oh. Wow. Look at these apples. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Oh, there's ate. Ate, picking apples. Oh, diba? Oh, yan.
May balagyan eh.
May balagitang ito. Marin eh. Oh. See? Ay, this is so much fun. Yeah. See?
Can you hold this?
Okay.
This is too heavy.
Yeah. You put it down first.
Okay.
Ayan na yung mga napit namin.
Wait, you put them in your pocket?
Yeah. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. Then we get more.
I'm gonna get you more on the top.
Yeah, we get more. We get more apples.
Kasi tingnan mo lang sa ilalim, tita.
Oh.
Yung ilalim, mas malalaki pa ang bunga sa ilalim.
Kaya nga.
Kaya lang, di nila tinitingnan yung mga malalaki na. Kunti.
Ayan no.